for today's video, guys, I want to show you my pambahay outfit for today, guys. Ayan, I'm wearing a crop top, guys. Look. Ayan, a red crop top and miniskirt. Ayan, miniskirt, guys. Ayan, I really love it, guys. Pack na pack yung aking pambahay outfit for today. Ayan, guys, kakatapos ko nga lang pumaligo, guys. Ayan, feeling fresh na naman ako. Feeling fresh na naman ako, guys. Ayan, I really love it, guys. Ayan, this is my crop top. I buy this for only 150 pesos, guys. 150 pesos. Ayan, medyo nag-slim na nga po ako ngayon, guys. Ayan, medyo nag-slim na ako ngayon. Medyo lumiit na yung aking belly, guys. So, ayan, konting exercise na lang to, guys. I need to exercise more. Ra-pa-pam-pam-pam, ra-pa-pam-pam-pam. Takoy ang naghasa kaiyahan, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Ra-pa-pam-pam-pam, ra-pa-pam-pam-pam. Na-na-na-na-na-na. Na. Ayan, guys, this is my daily routine. Ayan, this one here, guys, because I need to flat my belly. Ayan, and then my legs exercise only also, guys. Ayan, ra-pa-pam pam pam, ra-pa-pam pam pam. Teku hayan, yeah, 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 yeah. Ra-pa-pam pam pam, ra-pa-pam pam pam. Ayan, guys. Ayan, guys. So, medyo nag-shape na nga po yung aking body, guys. Ayan. Konting push na lang at liliit na yung aking belly, guys. Ayan. Yung aking likuran, nag-shape na siya. So, konting ganon-ganon na lang yan siya, guys. Konting legs exercise na lang. Da-da-da. Da-da-da-da. Da-da. Da-da-da-da. Kayahan, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Ayan, guys. I feel bored. I feel bored at home, guys. Ayan. This kind of exercise, guys. Ayan. Can make my belly flat. Ayan. Ayan, guys. Medyo maano pa nga yung aking belly, guys. So, konting push pa. Konting push pa siya, guys. Para ano. Para mag-slim na yung ating body. Ayan, para medyo lumiit na yung aking belly, guys. So, ayan. I'm doing exercises every day. Yan, my shoulder exercise and my legs exercise. So, diba? Ayan, medyo nangalay na yung aking tuhod, guys. So, that's it for today. Ayan, guys. My sample outfit for today. My pambahay outfit. I really love it. Ayan, pack na naman siya, guys. Ayan, oh. Ra-pa-pam-pam-pam. Ra-pa-pam-pam-pam. Na-na-na-na-na-na. Kayahan, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. So, that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoy my videos.